wonderforce.com.
Hi students, welcome to Whichchem YouTube channel. As you are aware that CBSE board term 1 exams are about to start, and this is the first time they are conducting the board exams in the term 1 and 2. So lot of doubts will be there in the students mind. To clear them, here I am giving you the all FAQs doubts and so, what are the doubts coming to into the students mind and what are the answers, proper answers as per your FAQ. So all doubts will be cleared if you follow this video till last and share this video to your friends and check latest updates on Whichchem Blogspot. And I am going to provide you some with the good PDFs which will be helpful for you while cracking the examinations and also video lectures. So subscribe Whichchem YouTube channel and follow Whichchem Blogspot for complete details. So one by one let's start. Here first question asked by the student is OMR sheets availability. Okay, OMR sheet will be available in the cloud and you can download from the school authority will be downloading the OMR sheets from the cloud provided by the CBSE. Okay, next question is question papers availability. Okay, encrypted question papers will be sent to the school exam centers in the morning on whatever the day examination is there. Everything going to be very technological this time. They will be encrypted and you cannot crack them before the examination starts. Okay, so exam on the morning they are going to give you the encrypted question paper and that too in the morning itself. Then question classes during classes timings in some schools other than the 10th class and 12th class, what about their classes? So classes they can conduct but before 11 o'clock 8 to 11 a.m. they can conduct. Okay, then clarification about the examination timeline. Okay, so class 10th and 12th examination will be between the 11:30 to 1 and OMR sheet will be submitted in the exam control room by 1:30 p.m. Once 1 o'clock examination is completed, by 1:30 p.m. they have to submit the OMR sheets of the students in the control room. Half an hour time is given. Okay, so likewise some PDF are also available and who will evaluate the scripts, that is answers. Okay, evaluation will start from the 1:30 p.m. and to the 5 p.m. on the same day. As soon as you submit the control room 1:30, then they will start evaluating. Okay, and what about the COVID-19 protocol? Clarification is all students will be seating arrangement will be done in such a way that social distancing will be followed. Okay, but if many students are there in the one examination center, then more observer for 500 students, one observer. As soon as the number of students in the more than 500, then observer will be more than 2. Okay, 2 are above 500, 2 observers. Then observer appointment and deployment. So city coordinator, there every city will have a city coordinator. He will appoint the observer and between as per the need they can change their position also. Okay, and availability of answer scripts to the teachers. So answers key will be available by 1:30 p.m. Teachers in any subject can check the OMR sheet. Okay, who will upload the correct answer? Evaluator has to upload the number of correct answer. What if OMR properly circled? If not properly circled, so because of some may dark circle, some may not dark circle, then they are giving a facility. If you are writing with handwritten, if there is any problem in the circling, then they will check with the handwritten answers. Then according to the handwritten answer will be the final answer. Okay, then next. What about the paper evaluation? Paper evaluation remuneration will be separate. Okay, and next evaluation done and sent to. Evaluation will be done at the center of exam. OMR sheet are sent to the RO CBSE by 5 p.m. on the same day. and any instructions to the students. Students OMR sheet will be printed fully on with all details. So you have to check with them. Okay. And school name, you just have to note down the OMR sheet number in your question paper for future reference and other purpose. Okay. And term 1 practical, schools have to conduct the term 1 practicals to collect the internal assessment project before 23rd December. Also, no external examiner is appointed to look after it. Okay. So it is responsibility of the school itself. Okay. And any special exam day instruction, reach the examination center by 10:30 a.m. Timetable will be 11 to 1 p.m. and after one first term examination, scores marks scored by the candidate in term 1 will be released within few days. Final result will be declared after term 2 only, final result. Okay. If the candidate fails to score passing marks, that is above 33%, he or she will be assigned for the category of compartment for the essential repeat. Okay. Next, separate sheet will be provided to do the rough work, and by 9th of November they already released this roll numbers. So two steps. First of all, the link I am given you to the check the roll number finder. Okay. So here roll number finder, when you enter, this will be the first screen you will get it. Then coming to the second screen, you will get as per the selection. If you are from the class 10th, select class 10th. If you are from the class 12th, select class 12th. Then search data, you will get the roll number data. Okay. So direct link to find roll number is provided here. So if you don't want to miss, see, so many information are there, like class CBSE term 1 study material, timetable and everything. You will get it at the Whichchem Blogspot. Just be a follower of this. Just follow, press follow button and follow the Whichchem Blogspot. Still, if you got any doubts, you can ask me. All doubts will be cleared. Thank you. Bye bye and join Telegram group.